In this video, we will be doing 3D geometry, specifically perpendicularity in 3D. So here we go. ZXCV is a parallelogram. That's the first thing. So we know that these two sides are congruent. We know these other two sides are congruent. And then we know that the diagonals bisect one another. So there we go. Now ZC and XV are in the plane of ZXCV. So these diagonals are in this plane of this parallelogram. Next, AB is perpendicular to XV. So AB over here is perpendicular to XV. So we have two right angle markings there and there. So now for the first question, what does that say about ZC? We'll mark this in blue. Remember that XV is perpendicular to AB and XZ is in plane M. So if a line AB is perpendicular to a plane M, then it is perpendicular to any line in that plane that goes through its foot. So ZC goes through the foot of AB, so then ZC is also perpendicular to AB. Next question, what does it tell us about X and V? So let's draw an auxiliary line, AX and AV. So what we can see here is we have two congruent segments, XB and BV. We have two congruent angles here and here, they're right angles. And we have a reflexive segment here, AB. So triangle XAB and triangle VAB are congruent. Therefore, XA is congruent to AV. So what that tells us is that A is equidistant from X and V. So next, what does it tell us about Z and C? Again, we will draw AZ and we will draw AC, 2 points determine a line. And you can see we have ZB is congruent to BC. We have two right angles, and then we have the reflexive side. So then triangle ZBA and CBA are congruent as well. Then ZA is congruent to AC. So A is equidistant from Z and from C. That is a lot of geometry and a lot of markings to get through. Run through it 3 times, you will get it. This is a hard problem. And if you can get through it and understand it, you are well on your way to being able to do 3D geometry.